Life always has ups and downs, like a ship in a storm.
Are you okay?
I am good.
It is especially true for mountain bike riders, like ourselves. The only difference is that up is down and down is up for us.
Nice meadow.
Our secret safe haven lies up in the mountains. Endless green meadows are filled with sweet wildflowers.
Oh yeah?
A big fat grasshopper is our little neighbor. Wait a sec.
Oh, so many. What's wrong here? Oh my god, so gross. Oh my god, it's just so gross. I was just squashing so many of them. Probably. It's gross!
Oh my god. Holy crap. So we saw one and they were like, wow. And then now we're like, oh my god. Oh, they're like migrating down the path. And they're all going this way.
Oh my god, just so many! Just to get out of the way! Hey, I just squished one! Gross!
Even though the mountain had been infested by suicidal grasshoppers, we wanted to get to the top and go down the mountain. So we went up. Crossing rivers?
Oh yeah, we made it.
No problem. Pushing our bikes up? We don't need to go to the gym. The higher we went, the better things became. Well, I think I was getting altitude sickness. I underestimated how high the Colorado mountains were. I couldn't breathe, and my body felt weak. The view? It wasn't worth it anymore.
I hope it's worth the suffer.
Okay, good. Let's do this.
At this point, uphill was down, and downhill also became down. Down, down, down. I went down. I held the bars for my dear life. I was wondering why I had gone up so high.
Ugh. Oh shit. Oh shit.
And after a long time, finally, I came out of the mountain.
Okay.
Take the road.
Yeah.
That was when I really hit bottom.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I am good. Yeah, I just crashed here.
Need anything?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
Oh. Did you just crash? Oh. Are you okay? You hit your knee a little bit. Front wash? That's sad. You wanna go?
I was heartbroken, and I swore not to ride anymore
Oh, now your feet are wet.
for at least a week. Life has ups and downs. Once you hit rock bottom, the only way is up. Especially in a bike park.
Oh yeah. Easy. Ooh. Ah. Oh. I went off.
I go down to just climb up high, even higher than before. This is the face. It's done. Like, done. If you like the video and want to help my channel, click the Patreon link down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
You look like you've been up a chimney or something.
Yeah, she's just chimney sweeping.
Why are you guys so clean?